Well, today Owen and I are gonna go up that hill, up the hill, to go up and go do some man play. So we'll see you when we get up there. Hey Owen, what are you doing?
They say that this is the childhood home of famous baseball player Ichiro Suzuki.
I don't know, childhood. I think he was when he was older.
All the more famous for it then.
When he was playing for Oryx. That's where he lived.
I remember I saw number 51 play at the Green Stadium.
Owen's decided to take a break because this damn hill's too steep and we have to go up even more to Powerville. Cool. He's climbing a tree. He's a monkey.
This action?
He's climbing a tree and I'm weaving. Who's more of a man? Hey everybody, Mike here. I'm just above my home in the forest here with a buddy. We're out here hammocking in the forest, and you can kind of see what it looks like. There are the trees. Yeah, very beautiful place. It's we're actually on the side of the mountain, which is the greatest thing about having a hammock, is that you can just find two trees and stick it up there. But I wanted to address a question I've had in the past, whereas can you free camp in Japan? Because camping in Japan is so hard. It's so expensive, and they're only open for short times, and it's just not an easy thing to do. And when you go to these campsites, they're really loud, and the kids are screaming, and you can't get away in nature and have silence in the forest. It's really, really hard to do. So one of the questions I always had was, well, can I just pack up a backpack and just head out into the forest and sleep overnight? And I checked everywhere to find out if I could do this or not. I never got a good answer. There's no law that states you are not allowed to camp overnight in the forest. There's no law that says you can't do it. You'll get a fine or something like that if you're found. It basically is you're not supposed to do it. We don't encourage it. We prefer you don't do it. And so I always thought, okay, well, let's test this out. And first thing I needed to do was get a hammock, because I knew I could string that anywhere and sleep overnight. And so I got a hammock, and the first thing I did was go to a park, just the parks around my house, and slept overnight, because I heard, yeah, you can stay a night in the park. It's okay, if you're a backpacker, and you're traveling through, they usually don't hassle you or anything like that. So I tried it out. Nobody said anything, well, until last, like, few months back. Okay, after my, say, 10th trial, I found these nice trees right next to the lake, a little pond here in Mikage, and this this person at about 3:30 in the morning shook my hammock and woke me up, and I jumped out, and I saw this old man, who probably cleans the park as a volunteer, and and I looked out, and he went into the women's bathroom, and I'm just watching him in the women's bathroom, just wondering, why is he going in the women's bathroom? And eventually he comes out and he peeks his head out, and I'm looking at him, and he can't see me because it's in the dark. I'm in the trees area, and he just looks over, and then he kind of like scurries off. Like, what? It's so funny. And we don't want you in the park. You're not allowed to sleep here. You're a homeless person. You're going to be here forever. It was like the first time, well, second time I've been in that park. Well, anyway, so I did it maybe 10 times. I've slept overnight in various parks around my house, apartment, whatever. And so, no problem there. And so in the forest here, I've now camped in the local my local area up in like Rokko Mountain area. Um, once, twice, two or like two times or 2 or 3 times, and no problems. There are no problems with camping here. We've had people walk by and um, don't do fires. It's not That's not a good thing. I wouldn't encourage that. But whatever, it's basically like BLM land in America is what I think of it as. And I'm going to research that and find out if how similar it is, because in America you need a fire permit to be able to have a fire. And sometimes throughout the year in California anyway, they will actually outlaw or ban fires for a period of time during the dry season. Here there's a lot of dry brush right now. It's winter time, so I don't think it's good at all to do fires, um but to be able to come out, just right above the city and you know, just hang out in the afternoon. Just hanging out in the afternoon for today. Thought about staying overnight, but when you can't have a fire, it's really kind of sad. I just wanted to tell everybody that it is possible to do free camping in Japan. So if you're wondering if you can do it or not, I say go for it. And if something happens, oh my God, look at that. If something happens, let me know, because I'd like to know too, and I'll pass on the information. So I'm gonna go back to having my little rest here. So cheers.
How's your water and drink supply? You want some tea?
No, thank you. I am.
You don't want some pee then?
No,
Bottled pee.
I don't need bottled tea.
Chopsticks.
Hi everybody, I hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Come on over to the website at mikexpat.com. You can see me over there and on all the other social networking places and everywhere. Hey, who knows? I might see you on the street here in Japan. Please say hi, all right? See you soon. Bye.